Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. Today I'm working in the square 6-inch Dina Wakley white journal, and you can see I'm afraid I forgot to press record. So I started off using these Inktense blocks and basically all I did was scribbled them on and then water activated them to blend them together. Pretty certain there was a little bit of gesso on the page to start off with. Just to help the page accept the media. So then I'm using some Art by Marlene Go Dutch stamps, using some Inktense, not Inktense, archival ink on there. Geez, I can't speak today. I'm just stamping these out onto ordinary printer paper. So once I've stamped them out, I'm then going to be adding some colour to these images using some watercolour paints. I'm stamping out more images than I think I need because, you know, you can always use them another time, and while you're busy doing stamping you might as well stamp a few things at the same time. So I'm just using a water brush and some watercolour paints. These are a mixture of Prima watercolour paints and Winsor & Newton ones, and I've just popped my favourite colours into the palette and squashed them all in together. And then once I've finished painting them and then cut them out, and I'm going to start trying to arrange them on the page. So this is a Tim Holtz stencil, and I'm just adding a bit of white paint on there just to try and break up the grass area a little bit, and going in with the mantra stencil again with the white paint, just adding a bit of text onto the background as well, but you can see it is quite subtle. So then I don't really know why I did this. I cut the house up. I think I was thinking that I could put them behind each other, but obviously it didn't really work, so I ended up sticking them back together. I'm just sticking them in using a glue stick. The reason I'm using the glue stick is because I didn't want the gel medium to activate the watercolour paint again, and also because the background on the paper is quite textured, and I just thought the glue stick would work a lot better. Then I'm using this pit marker pen. I'm just adding a few shadow details onto the building just to try and make them a bit more 3D and just pop out a little bit. I wasn't really overthinking where I put things. So then I've just got the Inktense blocks out again. I'm using my water brush and I'm just putting my brush onto the block, picking up some of the colour, and then I'm just adding some like grass onto the bottom of the page. And some white dots in the sky. Again, just trying to break up the colour and the background that's there. So then I've got, you can't really see it on there because my acrylic block's got a bit dirty, but one of the stamps from the set had some grass and flowers on, so I've just stamped that over the grass that I've painted on the bottom of the page. And then I'm just writing the words into the space that's left using a Posca pen. Appreciate life when it's not perfect, even when it's not perfect. Happiness is not the fulfillment of what we wish for, but the appreciation of what we have. And then I'm just adding a few birds into the sky as well. And there we go, there's the finished page. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video.